guys, it's Rebecca. Oh, so I've got two things going on here at once, and yeah, they're not in line. But hey guys, it's Rebecca, and I am here with a new video. This time I will be unboxing this Zalando. Oh, it's backwards. Yeah, no, it is backwards. This Zalando parcel, which came today. Quite good. They have a free app, so you should download the app. Quite really easy to use. So anyways, and now I will be unboxing. No, this is an entire outfit, because you can't buy one thing. You've got to buy an entire outfit. So we have this really cute, like, fringed little across the body bag. It's very adorable. She's super cute. This is, I'm pretty sure this is a black A-line skirt. Yeah, from Anna Field. And as I forgot that this bag is from Even and Odd. I'm pretty sure it's from Even and Odd, and this is Anna Field. And this is just a simple long sleeve, basic, I think it's dark purple if I just refer back to here. For more and more long sleeve top, night blue, that's this one. This is probably my favourite. It's a grey like cape cardigan kind of item. This is from Vera Moda, this one. And last but not least is the shoes. I think every girl's favourite boxing is the shoes. The shoes are from Even and Odd, and they are adorable. They're like cowboy booted sandals. They look quite big in the camera, but I have big feet, so yeah. They look so cute, I can't wait. This will be my Valentine's Day outfit for me and my partner. So that'll be adorable. It's also kind of cute box, as you can see. So I will probably end up doing a photo shoot with them, and we'll post pictures on up here so you can see them. And yeah, just to show you that they have an app, just going down there, Zalando app. It's literally easy for do suggest you use that. So thank you for checking out my unboxing, my Zalando thingy. There'll probably be more in the future from other places that I do clothes. I like fashion and stuff like that, and there'll also be photo shoots and stuff like that. So thank you for watching. Like, if you would like more unboxing fashion videos, then like this video, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and follow me on Twitter at RebeccaKLXO, which will be below, but also my Facebook page, which links will be below. So yeah, thank you for checking out my video, and I'll see you soon.